COPWATCH, policing the police every single day.
Yeah. I feel like a mansion on the mud hill is worthless. Sooner or later, you need a purpose. Let's go. I feel like I'm King David. 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 I wrestle with bears and lions. I'm supposed to be scared of Goliath. I have no fear of giants. God with me, I'm prepared to triumph. I feel like I'm King David. 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 I battle with temptation. Was brought up to lead nations. To make it, you need patience. Yo, I feel like I'm King David. I've been all around the world trying to find the key to success. I've been all through the dark valley of the shadow of death. That was a mess. Sometimes I sit and think of how I made it out of the west. Very unblessed. In my town, a lot of boys ain't survived. May they eternally rest. Pay my respect. Yes, listen clear, let me tell you something. Might wanna pull up a chair or something. Do you see me cooking? I'm preparing something. Boy, I see you look and say a prayer or something. We at war, get your armor and your sword, cause the devil, he ain't playing fair nothing. The storm hit us, but we clear above it, cause the Lord with us, we ain't scared of nothing. Live from the underground, Harry Tubman, they emerged when they heard the chariots coming. Black Caesar, who spat ether, trying to avoid all the bad Shebas. They destroyed all the black leaders, now Cap can't quarterback neither. Guess that man made a sacrifice, they won't celebrate till the afterlife. Come on, I feel like I'm King David. 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 I wrestle with bears and lions. I'm supposed to be scared of Goliath. I have no fear of giants. God with me, I'm prepared to triumph. I feel like I'm King David. 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 I battle with temptation. Was brought up to lead nations. To make it, you need patience. I feel like I'm King David. Yo, I feel like I'm King David. I feel like I'm finna burn this track until it's cremated. I feel like I gotta celebrate because my team made it. I feel like you smiling in my face, but you really hate it. God bless them all. Larry David, I'm a ball. Seen it painted on the wall. They had me running for
Hey Sheriff, we have a question about why your office, your intelligence division, is investigating private citizens for criminal investigation that happen to be activists that are overseeing your department. Why would you have your intelligence division investigate private citizens? We have done... Sir, we don't hate anyone. We love freedom and we love American people. And government is out of control. That's why you're seeing such a revolt nationwide. Why can't you just answer, why is Susan Edwards, your intelligence division, investigating private citizens? This should not happen.
Are you here to apply for a job?
Possibly I might be applying for a job, but that's irrelevant to my question. Why would you ask that question?
Well, enjoy the fair.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Excuse you?
Excuse me, sir.
So those of you that haven't
Wow.
been on a bike before, we're
Sheriff's
just
getting a little too pushy. You work for us, Sheriff. Just keep that in mind. At one time, we respected you, but not with that type of attitude.
Police use who may want to retaliate against him physically.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Cop Watch, and I just wanted you to know that I am using this stuff under fair use. And also remember to like and subscribe this channel. Also too, keep in mind I do not make any money on YouTube. This is 5 hours work a day, you know, fighting for freedom. And you can donate with PayPal and Patreon. I just want you to think about this. If everybody gives to PayPal and Patreon, Patreon is every month. Actually, PayPal you can do every month. I have 12,000 subscribers. If everybody gives, I can quit my regular job and go full-time investigations on Charlotte County and possibly even more and beyond. So just keep that in mind. If everybody helps